Welcome to our channel Sassy Living. Sassy means lively or bold. Today's theme is the best life and focus is every human life has value. As the top leftmost picture depicted, the kid's hands are protected in his parents' hands. Today's agenda is 7 important words, 10 action words, value of time, life insights, and at end takeaway ideas. 7 important words are the 6 most important words. I admit I made a mistake. The 5 most important words. You did a good job. The 4 most important words. What is your opinion? The 3 most important words. If you please. The 2 most important words. Thank you. The 1 most important word, we. The least most important word, I. All these words are pictorially represented on the right of the slide. Have a glance, they are self-explanatory. Let us understand the 10 action words. The most selfish 1 letter word, I, avoid it. The most satisfying 2 letter word, we, use it. The most poisonous 3 letter word, ego, kill it. The most used 4 letter word, love, value it. The most pleasing 5 letter word, smile, keep it. The fastest spreading 6 letter word, rumor, ignore it. The hardest working 7 letter word, success, achieve it. The most enviable 8 letter word, jealousy, distance it. The most powerful 9 letter word, knowledge, acquire it. The most essential 10 letter word, confidence, trust it. All the pictures represents to the right of this screen describes the importance and the meaning of these all words. Yeah, now let us understand value of time. To realize the value of 1 year, ask a student who has failed a final exam. To realize the value of 9 months, ask a mother who gave birth to a stillborn baby. To realize the value of 1 month, ask a mother who gave birth to a premature baby. To realize the value of 1 week, ask an editor of a weekly newspaper. To realize the value of 1 hour, ask the lovers who are waiting to meet. To realize the value of 1 minute, ask a person who has missed the bus, train or a plane. To realize the value of 1 second, ask a person who has survived an accident. To realize the value of 1 millisecond, ask the person who has won a silver medal in the Olympics. These are the important phrases to understand the value of time. The right side pictures depicts all these timing use. Life insights are life is an opportunity, benefit it. Life is a beauty, admire it. Life is a dream, realize it. Life is a challenge, meet it. Life is a duty, complete it. Life is game, play it. Life is a promise, fulfill it. Life is a sorrow, overcome it. Life is a song, sing it. Life is a struggle, face it. Life is a tragedy, confront it. Life is an adventure, dare it. Life is luck, make it. Life is lifetime, fight for it. The pictorial representation as depicted to the right side of the slide, they are all self-explanatory to demonstrate these life insights. Please have a glance and understand the meaning of these words. Yeah, let us take away the ideas. First of all, we need to ask ourselves a question. Does money really buy happiness? The answer is yes. If the hard-earned efforts of one's money used to see the real happiness on the others' faces, those who are in need to fulfill their basic requirements. As we understand, many donors are coming forward to donate their hard-earned efforts of money, material, food, and they are saying we all stand together to share our love and affection, caring and sharing, showing sympathy to the others. Thereby, very soon, we strongly believe that we fly high and come back to our regular life. As the right top picture, the couple of visions depicts flying high in the sky and bringing peace to the entire world. And let us once again extend our helping hands to help the needy, to fight against COVID-19, to come out of this pandemic situation from coronavirus. Thank you one and all for your patient listening. Best wishes to all. Thank you.